In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pepperstone account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to pepperstone.com, and then up here it says Join Now at the top right. You want to click on this button, and then here it's going to give you a few options. And there we go. So you can either sign up with Apple, with Google, or with Facebook, or you can also continue with email if you don't wish to link any of these things. So if you click on continue with email, you can just simply go ahead and start with your email and password. You can just put different info in here, such as email, password, mobile phone, etc. Or of course, if you don't want to do that and you actually want to use one of the accounts you can associate, you can just click on it, select your account, and sign in or create an account that way. After you do that and sign in, you'll be able to see that you will come to this secure client area where you can go ahead and do anything you want. You can set up your application, you can create trading accounts, you can go ahead and fund your account, etc. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.